Hello my dear family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is a happy time in Nagaland because it's a harvest time, and it's also a happy time for food adventurers like me because during the harvest time we find something very unique and interesting, and this is the grasshopper from the paddy field. And today I am going to make Naga grasshopper chutney. So if you want to see the process, keep watching the video. Process number one, heat the oil. Oil garam hone ke baad, you can put the precious ingredient from Nagaland. And this is grasshopper. Once you fry, the color change. Wow. Look at the grasshopper. And for people who think that this is yucky, the taste of the grasshopper is like dried prawns. So if you guys enjoy dried prawns, you will definitely enjoy the grasshopper. Okay, so I forgot to tell one more thing. So this grasshopper was already boiled. It was boiled with bamboo shoot water, ginger, garlic and salt. So after you boil the grasshopper, you fry in the oil, and after some time you can put the chili powder. Is it time to put chili powder? So this is a very special chili powder my sister has made. This is a homemade chili powder. So we're going to put the chili powder now. We put a lot of chili because we Nagas like it spicy. We like the chili spice in our chutneys. Wow. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's smelling yummy. We have already put salt in the boiled grasshopper, but the salt is less. Put some more salt. Okay. Oh, look at the color. Look at the color. It's looking yummy. Wow. Okay. Wow. So the grasshopper is ready. I'm going to taste and tell you how the flavor is. My mouth is already watering. And this is the grasshopper from the paddy field. Very crispy, yummy inside, spicy. The ginger, garlic flavor and bamboo shoot water. It's really coming alive, the flavor. So guys, if you want to try unique food, please come to Nagaland, and Naga Adventurer will be happy to take you around and give you the experience, the wild experience in Nagaland. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you want to see more of these videos, do subscribe to my channel because I'm coming up with interesting videos in the future. Till then, take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.